Hi, it's Marty over at Curtis Industries with another installation tip. Today we're looking at the Massey Ferguson GC1723 premium cab. And there's a little bit of a technique to installing this plastic radiator shroud, so we thought we'd put a video up online. The first step is to get it in rough position up and over your pedals. Right like that. Now what you want to do is start on the left side here, block your tractor wheels or have your loader down so the tractor can't roll. Make sure your park brake is off. You're going to tuck this left side in here past this heater bracket. Get that started. You want to fold your rubber here and get this left side past your park brake lever here. Now we'll work our way over to the right side. Okay, so over here on the right side, we're going to get the bottom outside of the floorboard, so the stud's outside of here. And we're going to pull and flex it around our throttle lever. And you have to kind of just work it around. Get it roughly in position. Now where it goes around the radiator right here, you want the rubber pointing down. Obviously you want it off of your throttle control. Coming up the sides, you want the sealing rubber pointing towards the front. And you just need to kind of push and pull it around until you get it on the mounting studs, especially down here. So now we've got this one more or less lined up with the studs. We're going to go over to the left side and do the same. On the top stud, and this one, it's already lined up. Now it's just a matter of making sure your rubber's tucked where you want it. Again, going towards the front of the tractor as it comes up the sides, but pointing down as it goes around the radiator. So from here, it's just a matter of taking your 6 thumb nuts and threading them onto the studs, tightening everything up. Again, making sure your rubber is pointed forward, coming down the sides, and pointed down as it goes around the radiator.